Hello guys, today we like to discuss how we can create the resume. So this is my resume. From this resume, nearly I got 45 plus interview calls when I was a fresher. So we will see the format how we can create the resume. So it is easy. It is very much easy. So first thing is you need to mention your name, email, and mobile number. So apart from this, don't mention any other thing because first thing is that HR we will see how we can contact to this guy. So first thing there will see in resume name, email, and mobile number. So from this there will be contact. So it is better to keep these three things only in the resume. First thing, and second thing is career objective. So this is very important thing, career objective. The reason is from this there will notice how much this person knows about the technical knowledge related. So if you see my career objective, you see looking for challenging role in reported organization to utilize my technical database and management skills for growth of organization as well as enhance my knowledge about new company emerging trends in IT sector. If you see from this career objective, it will get to know this guy is looking for challenging role and this person is passionate about learning the things and he wants to know many things about IT. So they will think okay, this guy is good for selection. Second thing is second thing is what you can see experience. Here if you see, I have mentioned the experience, but as a fresher this thing is not required. If you have done internship, then you can mention the company name, duration and designation, and what thing you have done on that. So this thing for fresher they can ignore. If they have internship experience, they can put this one. So like this, you need to mention some four bullet points, like what you have done, like hands of 6 months of experience mostly. And after this, just if you see here, academic qualification. So you need to mention academic qualification like levels, education, percentage, all these things you can mention in academic qualifications. Now comes about technical skills. So in this thing, many fresher lack, like they made a lot of mistakes. Like while I am taking the interview, I have seen also while I have checked the resume, so I have found lot of mistakes. So what you have to mention, like what the things you know, that only you need to mention. You become expert, then then only you mention. If you don't know, just for you for the selection, if you have mentioned that, then definitely you will get to reject in the technical round. So for this one, what you need to do, so here if you see, I have mentioned the things which I know. This thing I know, that is the reason I have mentioned. If you know the things which you know in depth, then only mention it. Like I have mentioned C++ core Java, I know this thing. Another thing like this SQL, all this thing I know, mention thing like IDE tools. I have work Eclipse, NetBeans also, Visual Studio, Edit Plus also. I know the things. Spring MVC, this thing also I know. JavaScript also I know everything. Here server like Stormcat, we will use mostly Glassfish also I know. And Windows, for this one, just you can remove this operating system. This thing is not required right now. So for this one you can remove also, no need to worry, remove this one. And now comes the project part. So I have seen most of the fresher what they will do, they only mention major project, they don't mention mini project. The thing is, when HR will go through that resume, they will see how much this person work on the projects. You can mention, many people mention major projects. What I suggest, just you go with this mini project also. The thing is, they will get to know, okay, this guy has done three projects, two is minor and one is major project. So see, similar way, like I have mentioned express.js, what I have work, an application aim description, short description you need to provide. The description should be of 4 lines only, not more than 4 lines. And environment also you need to provide express.js model, and duration 6 months, this is the duration. Now you come some mini project. So in mini project, we need to mention title, environment like JSP, JDBC, Oracle we have used 3 months, and description not more than 4 lines. 4 lines is enough. Same thing in this also, same thing you need to mention. So make sure you mention all these things in a good manner. Next thing comes part is like strengths. If you see strengths, like I have mentioned four things: time management, presentation skills, self-motivating, adaptable. So whatever strength you are mentioning, you know how to answer. If some interview asks you what is time management, how you will manage, so you need to give one example. So like that you need to mention the strength, don't give useless examples. Now participation, so this thing also you can ignore, or if you want you can mention, no issue. Achievement, this like 2 or 3 lines you can mention, like receive like best award, student of the year of, like that you can mention anything. 2 lines you is enough. Here you can mention name, like your name, your father name, date of birth, and marriage status, like Indian, and whatever language you know. So hope you got the clear idea how to make this resume. If you make resume like this, definitely you will get nearly 40 calls. So just update the resume at 8 p.m. in Naukri, you will get more the calls. And thanks share to your colleagues.